In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Power BI file. Whether you're finishing a dashboard or making quick tweaks, saving your work correctly keeps everything safe and easy to pick up later. Let's walk through the simplest ways to do it, and I'll explain when to use each option so you feel confident every time. First, look to the top left of Power BI Desktop. Click the File tab. This opens a familiar menu where you can choose Save or Save As. Save updates the current file with your latest changes. If it's the first time you're saving this report, Power BI will ask you where to put the file and what to name it. Pick a folder you'll remember, give the file a clear, descriptive name, maybe include the project or date, and confirm. From then on, Save will simply overwrite the same file with your latest edits. Save. As is perfect when you want to keep your original file intact and create a new copy. For example, if you're about to try a different layout or test a new measure, use Save As, choose a new name or location, and you've safely created a separate version without touching the original. It's the best way to branch your work while avoiding accidental overwrites. You can also save even faster using the Save icon at the top left of the window. It looks like a small floppy disk. Clicking that icon performs the same action as Save and is great for quick updates as you build. If this is your first save, it will still prompt you to choose a location and name, just like the File menu. Finally, the quickest method of all is the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+S. Press Ctrl and S together as you work, especially after making changes to visuals, queries, or measures. Building the habit of tapping Ctrl+S every few minutes is the easiest way to protect your progress without breaking your flow. That's really all there is to it. Use File. Save for regular updates. Save. As when you need a new copy, the Save icon for one-click saving, or Ctrl+S for the fastest option. If you see a prompt to choose a location or name, that just means it's your first save for that file. Pick your folder, name it clearly, and you're set. And there you go. Keep these options in mind, save early and often, and your Power BI work will stay safe and organized from start to finish.